Video 584! This ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. Let's get going. So, source code is right here. We're gonna review the 584 delta, hence a 584 in the bottom of the screen there. So anything that has a 584 in the margins there. In the Conways Game of Life function section, within the rule set number 2 we've been working on, at the very bottom of rule set number 2, we have this sync that fucking GPU, bitches. So this is the bounds in terms of pixel coordinates for the dirty region of the pixels that we want to push up to the GPU. So it just represents the 512 by 512 cluster of pixels that encodes the current level pack we're on. Hotel 3x, Hotel 3y is the cell coordinate of that level pack. So this is the first pixel and last pixel on the x-axis, first pixel and last pixel on the y-axis, and here we are doing our GPU sync with that rectilinear bounds. Down here is what we did previously, which is, holy crap, a lot of stuff. And then we have some footnotes down there, and then we have what we did in this video. Now, if you want a longer explanation with the technical demo, you can go here. You're on this playlist right here, which goes very fast. And also, if you just want technical demos, you don't want to get into the code, you can go here to WeebCoder. Source code is here. You can email me here, Discord here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm building a game engine from complete scratch in JavaScript, and I'm writing all my own server code and stuff. It is a proximity bomb game, particularly, well, they're proximity mines on timers, right? So vertical, horizontal, and four-way bombs, and they only explode after you walk past them, and then they like light up, and after the timer expires, they explode. So like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch.